apricot jam from our own tree.
So as we noticed, some of the apricots are not quite ripe, but the birds were having a good old crack at them, so Laura's going to let them ripen, aren't you?
Yes, I'll take out the ripe ones and make jam out of those and let the rest ripen up.
So here we have Laura in the kitchen, and she is cutting up apricots from our tree.
Now we had to pick the apricots a bit early because the birds were having a go at it. So some of these are slightly green. So the greener apricots, the ones that are a bit greener, are the ones that are going into chutney. And the ones that are a lot riper, apricot jam.
Ooh.
Yum, yum, yum. So that's what we're up to.
Something interesting. This is the stuff that's scraped off the top of the jam, and it's a real frothy sort of mixture, and it's very sweet and yummy in it. And my first thoughts were we could make a sorbet out of that, which is what we're going to do. We're going to put it in the freezer and make ourselves a sorbet. It's lovely and sweet and creamy, beautiful. Instead of throwing it out, because most people just throw it out.